If you thought the Infinix Hot 40i was crazy, wait till you see what the more superior Hot 40 Pro has to offer. But before I continue, I need you to smash that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Thank you. It's just the Infinix Hot 40i which has been made available for sale, with barely any information about the regular Hot 40 and this Pro variant. So there are 6 main improvements which you should get excited about. First is the display resolution. This should probably be the only smartphone in the Hot 40 series to feature a 1080p display as opposed to 720p on the others. HD Plus displays are okay, but putting it side by side with a full HD display, you do tend to see the difference. With more pixels on the screen to take advantage of, it does look punchier and sharper. Second is the refresh rate. It's a massive blessing that the most budget smartphones now around the $100 price point come with 90Hz refresh rate, but this Hot 40 Pro steps it up to 120Hz, which is way better. But if you didn't know, 120Hz refresh rate does take more power than the 90Hz panel, so that should also be taken into consideration. The third improvement is charging speed. Whilst the others in the Hot 40 series come with 18W charging, this phone comes with a 3W charging, which does fill the smartphone faster. It's not stable and it's still good to see it here. The fourth key improvement is UFS 2.2 storage put here, because unlike eMMC, this is a much faster storage and should help in smoothing out the user interface because of its ludicrous read and writing speeds. The fifth improvement is chipset. Powering this phone is MediaTek's most powerful entry-level chipset, MediaTek Helio G99, which is a huge gap in performance over the regular Helio G85 and G88 chipsets. And finally, a 108MP camera. Unlike in practical cameras, this camera system doesn't solely rely on Infinix's software optimization, which though isn't as good, and the insane resolution will help improve both image and video quality by a mile. These 6 key features does pull the Infinix Hot 40 Pro ahead of the others, and that's exactly why it has Pro in the name. It's going to be available very soon, and I'm just trying to let you know, even if the price is 20% higher than the others, it definitely merits it. Click here to check out my Infinix Hot 40i review and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. I'm Hilary, this is Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.